Welcome, Fact Hunters, to FactPulse, where we explore the boundaries of reality. Today we're diving into 8 mind-bending topics to see where science fiction blurs into science fact. From invisibility cloaks to teleportation, we'll journey through the realms of imagination and scientific exploration. We'll uncover the facts behind these futuristic concepts and discover how close we are to turning them into realities. Get ready to have your mind blown wide open. Remember the thrill of watching Harry Potter disappear under his invisibility cloak? That magical garment has captivated our imaginations for ages. But what if I told you that science is catching up with fiction? Scientists are now working with metamaterials, specially engineered materials that can manipulate light in extraordinary ways. By bending light waves around an object, metamaterials can effectively render it invisible to the human eye. Researchers have successfully cloaked small objects like paperclips and even a small cylinder, making them vanish from sight. While a fully functional, Harry Potter-esque invisibility cloak might still be a few decades away, the possibility is no longer confined to the realm of science fiction. So the next time you see an invisibility cloak in a movie or read about it in a book, remember that science is steadily working its magic to turn that fantastical concept into a tangible reality. Beam me up, Scotty. This iconic phrase from Star Trek has fueled our dreams of instantaneous travel for decades, but can we really teleport from one location to another in the blink of an eye? Well, the reality of teleportation is a bit more complex than what we see in science fiction. Scientists have made remarkable progress in the field of quantum teleportation. It's about transferring quantum information, the properties of particles, between two entangled particles. Scientists have successfully teleported quantum information over significant distances, even to satellites in space. While this breakthrough has incredible implications for quantum communication and computing, it doesn't mean we'll be teleporting ourselves to distant planets anytime soon. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and quantum teleportation has taken us a giant leap forward in understanding the mysteries of the quantum world. Time travel, the ultimate frontier. The allure of journeying through time has captivated humanity for centuries, fueling countless stories, movies, and scientific inquiries. But is time travel truly possible, or is it destined to remain a figment of our imagination? Einstein's theory of relativity provides a framework for understanding the nature of time. Time, according to Einstein, is not absolute but relative to the observer's frame of reference. This means time can be stretched and squeezed, a phenomenon known as time dilation. One way to potentially achieve time travel is through wormholes, hypothetical tunnels that connect two different points in space-time. Imagine folding a piece of paper so that two distant points touch. That's a simplified way to visualize a wormhole. While wormholes remain theoretical, their existence is consistent with Einstein's equations. Another possibility for time travel lies in traveling at speeds approaching the speed of light. While time travel to the past remains a topic of intense debate, the possibility of traveling to the future, while technologically challenging, is grounded in established physics. From Professor X's telepathic abilities to the Jedi mind tricks in Star Wars, the idea of reading minds has always held a certain fascination. But how close are we to actually unlocking the secrets of the human mind? While we haven't quite reached the level of telepathic communication depicted in science fiction, advancements in neuroscience and brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, are paving the way for a new era of understanding and interacting with the brain. BCIs are devices that establish a direct communication pathway between the brain and an external device, such as a computer or prosthetic limb. By decoding brain signals, BCIs can allow individuals to control devices with their thoughts, offering new possibilities for people with disabilities. Researchers have already made remarkable progress in using BCIs to enable paralyzed patients to control robotic arms, type messages with their minds, and even regain a sense of touch. While mind reading in the traditional sense of telepathy remains elusive, BCIs are blurring the lines between science fiction and reality. Mars, the red planet, has long captured our imaginations as a potential second home for humanity. But with its thin atmosphere, frigid temperatures, and lack of liquid water on the surface, Mars presents significant challenges for human habitation. That's where terraforming comes in. Terraforming is the hypothetical process of transforming a planet's environment to make it more Earth-like, suitable for human life. In the case of Mars, terraforming would involve thickening the atmosphere, warming the planet, and creating bodies of liquid water. Scientists and engineers have proposed several methods for terraforming Mars, some more feasible than others. One idea is to release greenhouse gases into the Martian atmosphere to trap heat and warm the planet. Another approach involves directing asteroids or comets to collide with Mars, delivering water and other volatiles to the planet. Terraforming Mars is a monumental undertaking, a project that would span generations and require global cooperation. In the weightlessness of space, our bodies behave differently. Bones lose density, muscles atrophy, and even our cardiovascular system is affected. Long-duration space travel poses significant challenges to human health. That's where artificial gravity comes in. Artificial gravity, a staple of science fiction, is the creation of a gravitational force in a spacecraft or space habitat to mimic the effects of Earth's gravity. One promising concept is a rotating spacecraft or space station. By spinning the spacecraft, we can create a centrifugal force that pushes objects outward, simulating the feeling of gravity. The faster the rotation, the stronger the artificial gravity. Artificial gravity is crucial, not only for the health of astronauts on long-duration missions, but also for the long-term viability of space colonization. The quest for immortality is a tale as old as time itself. From ancient myths to modern science fiction, humanity has always been captivated by the idea of cheating death. Cryonics, the practice of preserving human bodies at extremely low temperatures after death, offers a glimmer of hope for life after death. The idea behind cryonics is to preserve the body in a state of suspended animation, hoping that future medical technology will be able to revive the person and cure them of whatever ailment caused their death. While cryonics might sound like something out of a science fiction novel, it's grounded in the principle that extremely low temperatures can slow down biological processes, including decay. Cryonics raises profound questions about the nature of death, the definition of life, and the ethics of preserving and potentially reviving human bodies. Imagine a world where microscopic machines could repair our bodies from the inside out, build structures atom by atom, and clean up the environment at a molecular level. This is the promise of nanotechnology, a field that explores the manipulation of matter at the atomic and molecular scale. Nanobots, tiny robots measured in nanometers, 1/1,000,000th of a meter, are a key focus of nanotechnology research. These microscopic machines have the potential to revolutionize medicine, manufacturing, and environmental science. In medicine, nanobots could be used to deliver drugs directly to cancer cells, repair damaged tissues, and even clear clogged arteries. While nanobots are still in their early stages of development, the potential applications are vast and awe-inspiring. Which of these technologies excites you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this journey between science fiction and fact, give us a like, subscribe for more mind-expanding content, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more fascinating facts. Keep questioning, keep exploring at FactPulse. Give this video a thumbs up if you're now questioning reality. Hit that subscribe button to join our community of fact enthusiasts. Drop your thoughts on which technology you think will become reality first. Explore more at FactPulse, where science meets the extraordinary.